Hey future doctors, big update from the Medical Counselling Committee MCC. A staggering 1232 MBBS seats under the All India quota are still vacant in NEET UG 2025 counselling, and the choice filling window has just been extended. If you are looking for one more shot at securing a medical seat this year, then listen up. Over here at Careers 360, we have covered this particular news, which says that Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh have the highest number of vacant MBBS seats. PWD portal for certificate generation will be available till 5 p.m. on November 12. Moving ahead, what they are saying is that the Medical Counselling Committee has announced the final seat matrix for the last round of NEET UG Counselling 2025, revealing that 1232 MBBS seats still vacant under the All India quota after several additions and reductions across the medical colleges. So over here, they have said due to the addition of seats, the choice filling and locking for the MCC NEET UG stray vacancy round has been extended to November 12. Candidates will be allowed to fill their choice of courses in colleges and lock their preferences by 11:55 p.m. on the last date. Remember this thing. As per the final stray vacancy seat matrix, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh have the highest number of vacant seats. So over here in this regard, the MCC has also extended the deadline for generating certificates through PWD portal till 5 p.m. on November 12. That means till today. Candidates seeking admissions under the PWD quota are required to visit the MCC designated disability centers to generate the PWD certificates as per NMC norms. Also, let me tell you one thing, that the NEET UG stray vacancy allotments were scheduled to be declared today. However, they are now expected to be announced on a later date due to the extension. The list of candidates admitted till round 3 is also available on the official website mcc.nic.in. Clear, people? So this is basically the news that I want to give it to you. So it's basically your last chance. So that wraps up the latest on the All India quota stray vacancy seats for NEET UG 2025. The window is open but limited. If you are eligible, move fast, fill choices wisely and keep your documents and funds ready. Like, share and subscribe for real-time updates and counseling strategy help. Good luck. This could be your chance.